A 2.7% increase is projected for Ethereum by June 20, Gov Capital Collector suggests. Let's begin by exploring the most recent market direction. As of this update, Ethereum has gone down 1.9% over the past 24 hours and is now near $1,697.31. Let's jump into what analysts project. Gov Capital Collector projects a price of $1,742.57 by June 20, which amounts to a rise of around 2.7% from now. Ethereum is projected to move up toward $1,724.31 per CoinCodex, an expected increase of 1.6%. Traders Union notes it may push higher toward $1,713.98, a rise close to 1%. A different forecast from CoinDataFlow highlights the possibility of Ethereum dipping to $1,677.45, marking a decline of 1.1%. To finish, Crypto Predictions highlights a dip to $1,615.36 by tomorrow, 4.8% lower. This is the most profitable outcome. That wraps up 5 expert takes. Let's go on. Let's now shift from forecasts to expected outcomes. From the variety of predictions provided, the price change could span from a decline of 4.8% to a gain of 2.7%, depending on the analyst. That means Crypto Predictions is set to achieve the highest return, with 4.8% rise in value by June 20. Based on these forecasts, you might see a return of between $10 and $48 for every $1,000 you invest. From the volatility analysis, Traders Union's forecast comes out on top with an 88.6% chance of success. With all 5 forecasts combined, I've formed a unified projection. Looking at the consensus, Ethereum is set near $1,694.73. Okay, here's the deeper look. The consensus projection points to a 0.1% drop in price by tomorrow. Put simply, your capital could climb by around 0.1% in line with that move. On a 1,000 position, this could potentially mean around $1 more. Consensus calculations suggest the scenario has a probability of around 92.4%. To round out this part, let's see what analysts are signaling for the 3-day horizon. Gov Capital Collector projects a climb for Ethereum across this period. Also, CoinCodex suggests upward pressure will persist. A bullish track is also suggested by Traders Union. CoinDataFlow highlights a bearish short-term picture. Additionally, Crypto Predictions points to further downside potential. All forecasts together show Ethereum on a bullish short-term path. Bringing all perspectives together, 60% of analysts agree on a move to the upside for Ethereum. 2 days ago, 5 forecasts were published. Let's see how they aligned with yesterday's outcome. As a result, the price eventually moved to $1,711.06. With this move, only 1 forecast aligned with the actual direction. The closest match to the actual price was from CoinLore. Let's piece it together. Yesterday's candle covered just 1 prediction. As for ROI, only 1 analyst was positive, CoinLore with 2.5%. On screen now is the summary table. It brings together all the latest forecast results. Looking at performance, the forecast probability for CoinDataFlow was 91.1% with $87.06 accuracy and minus 4.5% ROI. Take a closer look and notice whose forecast stayed closest to the actual move. Now let's see how the predicted profitability for tomorrow varies between Ethereum and other assets. The highest potential return goes to Memcore with 2.8%, while Ethereum stays below the leader. For now, I've compared Ethereum with 4 randomly selected cryptocurrencies. The extended comparison is already posted on my website. If that was useful, hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss the next forecast. See you in tomorrow's update.